Most gardeners are used to growing annuals, crops like tomatoes, beans, or lettuce. You plant them, care for them all season, and when they're done, you start all over again next year. But perennial crops are different. You plant them once and they keep coming back, season after season, sometimes for decades. They save you time, money, and energy. No more replanting entire beds every spring. Their deep roots make them champions at holding water, preventing soil erosion, and pulling up nutrients hidden deep underground. Perennials also build healthier soil, attract beneficial insects, and stand strong against drought, pests, and harsh weather. And the best part? They give you long-term food security, a garden that keeps feeding you, year after year, with less work and more reward. That's the true magic of perennial crops. Let's start with a true garden classic, asparagus. It takes a couple of years to mature, but once it does, you'll enjoy delicious spears every spring for the next 20 years or more. It loves full sun and well-drained soil, and once established, it needs very little care. Just mulch the bed, trim the old fronds in winter, and let it rest. Each spring, it'll come back strong. Rhubarb's tart, colorful stalks are a timeless favorite. It starts producing by its second year, and keeps returning for a decade or more. It thrives in cooler climates and needs just a bit of feeding and weeding. Remember, only harvest the stalks, never the leaves since they're toxic. Rhubarb is perfect for pies, jams, and desserts, and once you plant it, it's here to stay. Meet the Jerusalem artichoke, a hardy member of the sunflower family. It grows tall and bright, and beneath the soil, you'll find crunchy, nutty tubers that multiply on their own. Harvest what you need, and the rest will regrow for next year. They thrive in poor soil and drought but can spread fast, so give them their own space. This is one of those crops that truly keeps on giving. No perennial list is complete without the mint family: mint, oregano, thyme, rosemary, and sage. These herbs fill your garden with fragrance and your kitchen with flavor. Mint spreads quickly, so keep it contained. Oregano and thyme love sun and dry soil, while rosemary and sage can live for years, even decades. They attract pollinators, repel pests, and make your garden smell incredible. A living spice rack that grows stronger each season. Number 5, garlic chives, and this one might surprise you. They combine the mild bite of chives with the aroma of garlic. You can harvest the leaves year-round, and they regrow again and again. In late summer, they bloom with delicate white flowers that attract pollinators and look beautiful too. Tough, flavorful, and low maintenance, garlic chives are a gardener's dream. Few things beat walking out to pick your own fresh berries. Blackberries and raspberries produce for over a decade once planted. With sun, good soil, and yearly pruning, you'll enjoy bowl after bowl of juicy fruit. They're rich in vitamins and antioxidants, healthy, hearty, and endlessly rewarding. This peppery green is one of the most nutrient-dense plants you can grow. Watercress thrives in moist soil or near water, and once it's established, it grows fast and keeps coming back. Harvest the tender stems, and new shoots will appear in no time. It's perfect for salads, soups, and smoothies, and a true superfood perennial. Horseradish is spicy, strong, and nearly indestructible. Plant it once in a sunny spot, and it'll grow for years with almost no care. Just harvest a piece of root each fall and leave the rest. It'll regrow easily. It can spread fast, so plant it in a container or dedicated bed. A powerhouse root that adds fiery flavor for decades. Finally, elderberry, a true garden treasure. Its flowers make teas and syrups, and the dark berries are packed with antioxidants and immune-boosting power. Elderberries live and produce for decades with minimal care. Just prune them each year, and they'll reward you with beauty, food, and natural wellness. Cook the berries before eating, and you'll have a long-lasting source of both nutrition and medicine in your backyard. And there you have it, the top 9 perennial crops that keep rewarding you year after year. Start with rich soil, plenty of sun, and mulch to keep them happy. These plants don't just save time, they build a lasting partnership with your garden. Which perennial are you most excited to grow? Drop a comment below, give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart gardening tips. Plant once, harvest for years. That's the power of perennials.